What every Muslim needs to understand is that the way of the companions, their understanding of al-Islam, their aqidah, the way they fasted, the ibadat that they did, the way they behaved amongst themselves, it is the blueprint for al-Islam.
The first thing that you'll be asked about on Yawm al-Qiyamah, that you'll be held to account for, is your salah. If you done it properly, then great. However, if you didn't, انظروا هل له من نافلة. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will say, check, is there any voluntary praise that he had that will make up for it? Don't look at it as a burden, my beloved brothers and sisters.
فإن أهم أمور العبد الصلاة. One of the greatest thing a person can uphold is a prayer. Anyone who takes care of their prayer, okay, then that person takes care of their religion. ومن ضيعها كان لما سواها من عمله أشد إضاعة. And anyone who forsakes the prayer, wallahi my brother and my sister, you have truly forsaken everything else in life.
My sister and my brother, you're so busy. You don't have 20 minutes in your day to pray your 5 prayers. Do you know how bad and severe it is to miss one salah? Does anyone here know? How bad it is. You know, today you and I think that look, you know, religiously, he's the filthiest of people.
The messenger, he said, the covenant between us and them, it is the prayer. So whoever leaves it, whoever abandons it, then he has disbelieved. The covenant between us and them, that which makes us different from them, us being the Muslims, them being the non-Muslims, it is the salah.